Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. I am so excited about today's video. You guys were tweeting me like crazy requesting to see a video on this. So I had done a video where I tried Walmart's plus size clothing. If you haven't watched that, I'll link it down below in the description box for you. But when I posted that, I think the same day actually, I was on vacation, I got a bunch of messages from you guys saying that Loft was launching plus sizes, and I was like, oh my gosh, just so exciting. So of course I had to go in and order a couple of pieces from their line. I was really excited that they dropped plus. I'm glad a lot of brands are finally getting it. Plus size is relevant and here to stay. So I got a solid amount from the plus launch. I tried to get like a little bit of everything, pants, a dress, shirt, like a little bit of everything. So I'm really excited to try it all on, give you guys a full review. Is it worth your money or not? Because it is pricey, but I know it is good quality. So we have a pair of jeans. I think this was a top. I can't remember if it's a top or a dress, but it's this gorgeous kind of like kimono. This is a really beautiful top that looks kind of like a robe. Another top, and I don't remember what this is, but we're gonna try it all on. And I will link below all the items if you feel like shopping them and checking out the launch, or you want a direct link to each of these pieces. So let's try them on. Okay, so let's talk about this first outfit here. So first and foremost, these are the skinny jeans that I got. So they actually feel really good on. They're very stretchy, but they're not like too stretchy where they feel like a jegging. And I don't know if this is supposed to be on the knee. Maybe my legs are disproportionate. I'm not sure. But I think they look really cute. And at the end of the day, they're really, really comfortable. They come to a nice mid-rise above my belly button. And they just, yeah, they feel really good. And I like that medium wash of blue. But TBH looks really good. So these are a pretty penny though. They are $79. When I was shopping on the website, they actually had like a promotional code for like mix and match, 40% off. So I saved a little money. But they do actually feel like a really high quality pair of jeans, and they feel nice. So I did size up on these because I didn't know how the sizing would be. I think I got an 18 and everything, and they fit really well. So this top is so cute. It looks like a pajama top. So it's got that silky feel like a pajama top. Little pocket, the collar. It is a button up, but I just love all the colors. It feels so spring and summer, and I just think it's really cute. It also has a little bit of stretch to it, so it's a little bit more comfortable than like a standard silky pajama top, because those can be a little bit uncomfortable and can't really lift, but this feels really good. It has a lot of movement. I think I would have sized up and maybe even got a 20, so it's a little bit more like loose, and I could maybe belt it. But I do have a long torso, and I always look at this. The top comes to a really nice length. It's not too short for my standard sizing, because I do sometimes feel like shirts can run a little bit short because I do have a much longer torso than my legs. So a little information on that. If you have a long torso, this is good to go. But I just think this is a really nice outfit, beautiful for spring, and you can just feel that the quality is really, really good. Okay, so I am completely in love with this dress. It's this gorgeous wrap dress. It's got this beautiful detailing. The colors are gorgeous. It's really flattering because it has this nice tie, but I just love the colors on this. It's like this gorgeous magenta color with the little blue detailing. So I always really appreciate a solid, good wrap dress. So I just think this one is really beautiful, and I love how it has the different lengths. I even love how the sleeves have this little cinching at the end, so it looks a little bit more put together, a little bit more elegant. You could wear this to brunch, Mother's Day coming up, a baby shower, or even I feel like a casual wedding with some really beautiful heels would look gorgeous, and I just think it's stunning. But this does tend to come down a little bit low. Probably I could pin it or wear something underneath. Love how this looks, and I like how it's lower in the back as well. This is $89 though, so it is a bit pricier, but I'm thinking maybe they'll run sales often enough where you guys can kind of snag them while you can. But I just love this. It's so beautiful. I don't want to take it off. Okay, so last outfit here. I love this mustard top so much with the ruffle sleeve. It's super gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit tight, a little bit at the cinching on the sleeve, but if I pull it down, it feels fine, but when it rides up, it's a little bit tight. So maybe size up on that. But it's a beautiful top. Like the color is so gorgeous. It's a nice kind of sheer chiffon material. I just think the detailing makes it really elegant and chic. And this color is so trendy. Now these shorts are so cute. I really love how these fit. So they're nice little high waist, and they have these little button detailing. I had a hard time getting the zipper up though. Like it definitely will zip, but there's like this little lining is kind of tricky to get it over. I might need a second pair of hands for that. But they're really adorable. They're called like sailor shorts or something. Both of these are $49, so not together, severally. But I just think the shorts are absolutely adorable, and I love a good pair of high-waisted shorts in the summertime where you can wear a crop top, tuck in a top. I even think this together looks really cute. I love a good long sleeve top with shorts. I think it's fun. And these shorts are a really nice material. They're very thick. You can just feel that they're gonna last you a really long time. They're quality, but they're thick. They're not really stretchy, maybe like a teeny bit, but they feel comfortable on. They don't feel like tight and, you know, stiff. So anywho, that is all I picked up from the launch of Plus from Loft. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I didn't want to spend like a ton of money. I tried to just get like enough to share my opinions on like sizing and the quality, but I can tell it's all very good quality clothing. As for sizing, the 18 fit me pretty much perfectly in everything. For example, at Torrid, in comparison, I wear a 16 in their pants and sometimes like a 1 or 2X, usually a 2X in their tops. So in reference, that's what I can tell you. Maybe size up a little bit, but for most, I feel like it runs pretty true to size, because I do feel like Torrid's pants run a little bit big. So in like a straight size situation, an 18 is best for me. So yeah, I feel like all the clothing is extremely cute and on trend, but in an elegant, elevated way. So if you want to kind of step up your fashion game this spring and try something new, I think these pieces are worth the splurge. Because trust me, I know they were pricey. I was like having a little anxiety putting them in my shopping cart, but the coupon that was on their site kind of made me feel better. So keep an eye out for like coupons and stuff. But I guess that's all I have to say. Let me know, what did you like the most from this video? What was your favorite outfit? Have you tried it yet? The Plus launch, are you excited? And let me know where you want to see a little haul and review from next. All right, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.